We have created a Python file for this tool. So we go to Play Journal in Siemens NX, select the PY file, and run the journal. A custom UI window will pop up. Click Select Image and browse to choose your image file. The process will then execute and convert the image data into line curve format. After the operation completes, click Import to NX to bring the curves into the NX. We can repeat the same process for another image as needed. After completing these steps, we will attempt to use the extrude feature